Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to cover something every snap of utility knife user needs to know: how to properly and safely snap a blade segment. It may look simple, but doing it wrong can be dangerous. I'll show you the correct technique using different tools: a built-in snapper, external snapper, pliers, and even dedicated blade disposal bin. Snap-off knives are designed with segmented blades, so you always have a fresh sharp tip ready. Instead of replacing the whole blade, you just snap off a dull section. A dull blade can not only ruin your work, but also pose a safety risk, as it may snag on the material and slip toward your hand unexpectedly. Snapping incorrectly can cause the blade to shatter or fly off, so safety is key. Here's an important tip. The score lines on this blade are only visible on one side. When snapping, always bend the blade away from the score line. Forcing it the opposite way can cause the blade to shatter. Most snap-off knives come with a built-in snapper, often hidden in the knife's tail cap. Align one segment with the front end of the knife body. Remove the tail cap, and you'll notice a groove designed for snapping. Place the blade's score line into the slot, bend it downward, and the dull segment will break off clearly. Make sure to always direct the broken piece away from yourself and others. This is quick and safe, and you don't need any extra tools. If your knife doesn't have a snapper, or you prefer more control, pliers are a solid option. Extend the blade one segment past the holder. Grip the segment firmly with the flat nose pliers. Bend downward at the score line until it snaps. Make sure to place the broken piece afterward into a disposal container or vessel to be disposed of properly. This method keeps your hands far from the edge and is very precise. There are dedicated accessories that make snapping and disposal even safer. Anti-Cutter offers a dedicated external snapper with their heavy-duty 18mm knives. Using this external snapper is similar to the built-in snappers. You just insert a segment into the groove of the external snapper and bend downward until it snaps. Anti-Cutter Dispenser A combines blade storage and a snapper. Insert the blade into the slot, snap it off, and the dull segment stays inside the container. The snap blade container cannot be opened, so it is completely safe to dispose of. Alpha DC4 is a compact disposal case, perfect for carrying in a tool bag. You simply push to expose the slot, place the blade into the slot, snap, and the dull piece is captured. It can also fit 25mm wide blades. And the case can be opened with a screwdriver to dispose of the blades to a central disposal bin, allowing a continuous use of the case. Alpha DC6 is a complete blade disposal system. Consists of a knife and blade organizer and an innovative snapping disposal bin. At the top of the container, you can choose the blade size you wish to snap. Small for 9mm, medium for 12.5mm, and large for 18mm. In our case, we will choose medium. Sliding the top of the container to the side will introduce a spring-loaded snapping lever. Expose the blade segment and place it inside the top slider, and then you just simply snap the lever. The snapping will take place inside, completely safe and far from your hands. The DC6 also includes a backdoor release, allowing you to empty broken segments into a central disposal bin and keep using it for a long time. These containers not only make snapping safe, but also keep your space clean and hazard-free. Always dispose of snap segment properly. Never snap a blade with your bare hands or against a hard surface. Blades can fly off or shatter unpredictably. Working in professional environment, it is highly recommended to wear safety glasses. And that's it. Whether you're using the built-in snapper, plier, or a dedicated bin, now you know the safe ways to keep your utility knife razor sharp. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews, tips, and tutorials on snap of knives and tools.